have valuable export lumber to protect? Use RAPTOR heavy gauge staples to fasten your wrap. When metal staples are used for securing wrap, the material tends to fray on the sharp corners of the staple. This exposes the wood to the elements and depreciates its value when the staples rust and leave streak marks. However, RAPTOR staples have wide, rounded corners, so they hold the wrap securely during transport without tearing and without causing rust-stained or streaked wood. With RAPTOR, your overseas shipments will arrive to your customers intact with a clean and neat appearance consistent with your company's high-quality brand image. For additional lumber wrap protection, use the RAPTOR RC SH04 cap stapler, which drives RAPTOR 11mm staples through the patented plastic caps to hold the wrap. This system provides excellent strain relief and resistance to water penetration at the staple entry point. Deliver superior quality products to your customers by using RAPTOR composite staples. With metal-free lumber, your customers will save money and labor time, and you will earn customer loyalty, bigger profits, and a highly esteemed reputation within your market. RAPTOR polymer composite staples are the superior fastening solution for tagging and wrapping. Contact us to learn more.